So guys, in this video we'll be doing the LLMNR poisoning to retrieve the NTLM version 2 hash, and we will then crack that with the Hashcat. So I have already done this video in the AD series, but we'll be doing this again under privilege escalation series. So let's open the file explorer and let's go to our IP address to see any SMB shares are open, and you can see there is a one share, that is department shares. And if you go into this, we have two folders, private and public. So in this public, I found this IT folder as a writable. So what you can do is you can right click on this. First we going to create a file that should contain this contents. So this SCF file is the shell command file. This gets executed whenever that corresponding file explorer has been opened. So if you put this file in a folder and if anyone visits that folder, this file gets executed. So you can see here we are putting some icon file. So this should be your Kali Linux IP address, and you can see this is my Kali Linux IP address, and you need to put this one here. So also what you can do is you need to rename this to @test.scf. so put starting of this file name. So you can get this SCF contents online. You can see there will be so many blog posts on this. So copy these contents and right click on this, create new text document. So for now let's say test.txt, and open this one and paste the contents. Now save this. Now rename this as put starting of the file name and rename the extension to SCF. Click on yes. Now anyone visits this folder, then this that share name gets requested. So this share does not exist, so that's why the request will send to all the servers. Now we will be capturing that request using the tool called responder. So I have cloned this from GitHub responder. So you need to run this responder as sudo because it's need to capture the request. Python 3 responder.py and -h. So we'll be looking at some other options. So wpad rogue server, we need to start this one, and also we need to fingerprint the query. So let's do this. WRF and -v for verbose, capital I for interface. The interface is turn 0. So hit enter. Now you can see these are the options the server is running on. All the servers are being run. If there are any requests, we will get here. So meanwhile what you can do is you can go to this IP address, and let's go to a share that does not exist. Okay, now I have visited the folder. We got the HTTP students hash. Okay, we should get another one user's hash, and you can see we got the another user's hash, scm_svc. looks like some service account. So you can copy any of this hash, copy this, and paste this to a file. Now we can use the Hashcat tool to crack this. And the mode number is 5600, and we need to supply the file name and then the rocky.txt path. Okay, the password for the HTTP student is this one, but we need to get the password for scm_svc. Okay, so I have already cracked those hashes, so that's why it's it is not trying and just simply showing the password. So now I have already cracked this. All you need to do is you need to run the show command to show the password, and you can see for the service account the password is password01. So okay, if there are any weak passwords, you can try cracking with this Hashcat. So that's how you capture the NTLM version 2 hash and crack with the Hashcat. So you can also try multiple ways of making the client to open our SCF file. So you can put in an image, and you can make like it send it like an email. So this was suggested by my friend in the Discord. Or you can also make the folder names like a clickbaits.